देखो, I am very much shocked and saddened to hear the message of Ajit Pawar, Deputy Chief Minister. He died today morning in a plane crash. I'm really shocked to see the news. There is no safety and security of the people of this country. Even the political leaders, I do not know what is the fate of the opposition political parties, but he was very much with the ruling party. But before few days ago, I came to know that from social network that somebody from other party, they gave a statement that Ajit Pawar is willing to leave the BJP. And now what happened today, I need proper investigation under the supervision of Supreme Court. Only we have the trust on Supreme Court, no other agency. All the agencies are being totally purchased. And really it's a great loss for the country. Maybe he's from the opposition. Now he's from the opposition. But tomorrow he's supposed to join the original force of their party. My condolences to the family, Maharashtrian people, and also my condolence to the Sharad Pawarji and Ajit Pawarji's family. And for that reason, I am so shocked. So we cancelled our daily program today, but we will decide it tomorrow. DGCA पे कैंसिल किया, मेरे को पता नहीं है, वो पता करके तो हम बता सकते हैं. हम ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं जिसको पता हम नहीं करने का पहले कहता है. तो DGCA को प्रॉपरली मॉनिटरिंग करना चाहिए. बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट हो गया. Enough is enough. Always travel करते हैं because their time, because of scarcity of the time. PM also travel by the helicopter and the flight. Everybody. So there are so many places which is very far, and so they used to travel by flight. Even the commoners also. It is a message for the commoners also. What happened in Ahmedabad, another place also. Even yesterday also I came to know that some people went from here to Delhi. And their flat condition is so bad. They were just crying. This cannot continue. Life, safety and security is the first priority for the transport system.